Hello, students. Let us continue our discussion of textbook exercises, unsolved problems. So, we have discussed question number 5A and B. So, now we will discuss question number 5C. So, let us see this example. If the energy of a ball falling from a height of 10 meters is reduced by 40%, how high will it be rebound? See, first thing, what is given? Height is given 10 meters, then its energy is reduced by 40%. So if energy is 100%, then after reducing 40%, what is remaining? 60% will be remained. So how high it will rebound? Means how high that ball will bounce back. So that is asked. Means final height is asked. Initial height is given, and if energy is reduced by 40%, then how much height that ball will bounce back, that is asked. So let us see step by step how to solve this problem. So first you have to write the given things like this. H1 is height 10 meter. Then potential energy of, see, ball was initially, that ball was at rest, that's why we are considering potential energy. So whenever object is at rest, that object is having potential energy. So initially potential energy was 100%. Then it is 40 reduced by 40%. That's why remaining is what? 60% of first one. Okay, so 60% of first one, because initially that energy was 100%. So after reducing 40%, it is 60%, remaining 60%. 100 minus 40, 60. So therefore potential energy of the second case, that is when 40% is reduced, so second potential energy will become 60% of the first one, because 40% is reduced. So potential energy of second, that is potential energy 2, will become 60% of potential energy 1. Now we have to find the height 2. Means when the potential energy is this one, 60% of PE1, then what will be the height? So first you should write the formula for potential energy, that is mgh. Then solution. First consider the potential energy of the first one, that is PE1, where height is 10 meter. Initially that height was 10 meter. So mg is constant, mass and g is not given, only h1 is given. So put the value h1 here. So mgh means mg into 10. mgh1, that is mg10. You can write this as 10 mg. So this, make this as equation 1. Consider this is equation number 1. Potential energy is equal to 10 mg. Now second case, when energy is reduced, then we have to write like this. Potential energy is 2, that is 60% of potential energy 1, as we have seen earlier. Because it is reduced by 40%, that's why 60% of potential energy 1. So 60% can be written as 60 upon 100. Then potential energy 1 is how much? We have seen just now from equation number 1. It is 10 mg, 10 into m into g. Now here putting the value of potential energy 1 in this equation, we are getting this. Now here you have to cancel out the common zeros. You can see denominator 2 zeros are there and numerator 2 zeros are there. So these 4 zeros will get cancelled. So what is remaining? Only 6 mg will remain. 6 into m into g. So potential energy 2 is equal to 6 mg. Now potential energy 2 can be written as mgh2, because potential energy formula is mgh. So here it is for second case, that's why. Means after the ball will when energy is reduced, at that time height was h2. Okay, so h2 we have to find. We have to find h2. So this h2, so for potential energy 2, formula will become mgh2. Now mgh2 is equal to 6 mg, as we have seen. Now you can see left hand side and right hand side. What we have to find? We have to find h2 only. So you can take this mg on the other side. So it will go in division form, because it is in multiplication form on the left side. So when it goes on the right side, it will go in the division form. So this mg will get cancelled. Okay. Now what is remaining? H2 is only 6. So 6 meter is the, so this 6 m is, this is meter, this is unit of it. It is not the mass. Okay. So H2 is nothing but 6 meter. So what is our answer? 6 meter is the answer. So that ball will bounce back at the height of 6 meter. So you have to find the height after reducing the energy. So that height is H2, which is equal to 6 meter. So at last you can write the answer like the ball will bounce back at the height of 6 meter after reducing its energy to 40%. So thank you students for watching the video. Have a great day ahead.